So it depends on what you want what you want to do in archery. If you just want to shoot tournaments for fun, that's amazing, and you don't have to have a sports psychologist or a, a coach that helps you work out and things like that, you know. But if you want to get serious and start competing in big tournaments and do well, then you have to have the tools in order to make it happen.
Yeah, definitely having, the appropriate coaches and mentors is a big key in anything you're doing. Everybody has that on the top of their game has a coach or a mentor or somebody that's helping them get through the things and keep them focused on what they need to do. And that's definitely the part that if you want to perform at the top, you got to have somebody helping you out.
Yeah, I mean, and it's in different areas, you know, because I mean, at the end, archery is a sport, and I think that it's not just about shooting. Uh, I believe, and I strongly believe that if you do exercise, uh, not just on the range, but in a gym or uh, somewhere else, that's gonna help. I mean, if you're strong, if you're fit, if you have a good condition, that's gonna help. Not a lot, but it's gonna help you to be a better shooter. That's one of the things I believe. Uh, that you have to work hard, not just in the range, but also outside of the range.
Yeah, because as you're going through, if you're on a 3D course outside, you've got to walk from target to target. And if you're so worn out you can't hardly breathe, it's going to be tough to do a good shot because you're just struggling to get to the next target. So yeah, that's definitely something you want to do. And even at a tournament, you might be on your feet, most of the day, whether you're on the line shooting or what you're doing, at times you don't have a chance, you're not a chance to sit down a lot. So you're up on your feet and moving around and, that can wear you out.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, a 3D tournament is a pretty good example, you know. Especially here in Mexico, we have some 3D archery tournaments, and we are shooting for 5 6 hours on the course, and we are on the sun, and we're at, I don't know, 35 40 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty hot, you know.
Yeah.
And 5 6 hours walking around carrying your bow and your backpack and everything, you have to have some condition, because I mean, if you are tired and you go to the next target and you try to shoot, that's gonna be important. If you're already tired, if you don't know how to breathe, uh, that's gonna affect you. So I think that's very important to be fit and to work out, not just shoot arrows, you know.
Yeah, real, real, real important.
Yeah.
So, what do you have coming up for tournaments?
Right now, we're on the middle of 3D season. Just some regional tournaments here in Mexico. Then we have the national championship for National Field Archery Championship. I believe it's on August, and if everything goes well, I'll be shooting the Pan American Field Championship on October.
Where's that going to be held at?
It's going to be here in Mexico, on Chiapas. It's almost on the south border of, oh, it's on the south border of Mexico, so it's going to be a good tournament. And it's that tournament's it's every 2 years. Last time it was 2023 on Argentina. I went to shoot that tournament. I finished first on qualifications. I won gold in mixed teams.